Passive optical network architecture. PON networks use a point-to-multipoint architecture. These systems use optical splitters to divide the downstream signal from a single optic line terminator into multiple downstream paths to the end users. The same splitters combine the multiple upstream paths from the end user's equipment optic network units or optic network terminators back to the optic line terminator. Point-to-multipoint is the most viable PON architecture for optical access networks using fiber sharing and also having low power consumption. A PON network starts with the optical line terminal called an optic line terminator at the retail service provider's RSP equipment. After the connection from the NBN location of the optic line terminator can be at a residential hub or local head end. There will also be an option to distribute free-to-air and pay TV using the same fiber. For businesses, the locations, the head end equipment could be called main distribution frames, M. D. F. Campus distributors, C. D. Building distributors, B. D. Floor distributors, FD, and local distributors, LD. There may also be as many head end locations in a commercial building as there are connections to the NBN access network. Our equipment is designed to either have large numbers or very small numbers of end connections. The optic line terminators in residential homes will be very small with 2 outputs, in case one fails, and, for larger locations, an optic line terminator can have many outputs. Typically, each fiber output from the optic line terminator will be able to allow access to the network for at least 128 cabled computers. From the optic line terminator, a fiber optic, 32-port passive splitter is installed and a ruggedized fiber is run to each room or desk from the splitter. This terminates to an optic network terminator or a designed wall plate, and a small captured connection lead will be used between the wall plate and the optic network unit or optic network terminator. Copper Ethernet connections, usually 4, are provided as standard use cables to connect computers and devices. Then a coax cable connects the free-to-air TV and Wi-Fi. And VoIP will also be available in most variants of the optic network terminators.